Hello everyone, and welcome to Jumperman Tech, where we specialize in HVAC but do everything DIY. Just got a service call from a customer that they want to replace a water valve. Thank you to everyone tuning into Jumperman Tech. We have built quite the ice up here. So here is the water valve, and the idea would be to find a shut-off valve so you don't have to shut off the whole water in the house. So let's go take a look in the basement and see if we can find something. Let's see what's going on here. The valve is not holding. Yeah, this wouldn't be a bad idea to replace. Got some siding in the way. Let's see if we can shut off the water. Just check my truck and my light is not in there. Great. So, good old cell phone. So, took a measurement from that wall down there outside and made my way here, and the pipe is somewhere here. Well, at least it should be. Oh, you know what? Right up top there is a little blue hand valve, and that looks like it's going. See, it's straight outside. Oh, that's a beautiful thing. So let's see if we can close that and open the valve outside and make sure all the water drains out. And let's kind of hope that this one holds. All right, so I just closed that valve. Isn't quite the tight space. Whew. All right, let's go outside and see what happens. I don't see any water right now, so that's pretty good. That must have been the valve. Step away, open this. All right, that was definitely the valve. Let's drain out the remaining water. Alright, that was it. It's gonna be a little tricky with this siding in the way. I'm gonna have to cut some of this out. I'm gonna have to cut some of this out. I gotta think of something right now. So this is kind of just on the side of the house. I want to speak with the customer, see what they want to do. I'm thinking if there's possibly a way to just build right on top of this valve. Why not? As long as the customer's cool with that, that will be the fastest, easiest, and most cost-efficient thing. I don't even know if I want to get involved with start ripping this whole thing apart. If I could just add a valve on top of this, it'll be better for me and for the customer. So, wonder if I can get a fitting to go from here and just, you know, build right on top of this valve. Leave this open. Even if it drips a little, you have another valve to hold it down. So, let's see.
Take the next right onto North Grove Street.
Alright everyone, let's take a trip to the local Home Depot. These people here do not know what a sidewalk is, but that is all right. Let's go ahead and see what we can build. All right, we're in America's favorite toy store, Side Job Sunday. Let's go ahead and see what we can make up. All right, so this will be the fitting right here, the garden hose adapter. 3/4 inch FH by 1/2 inch FIP. So we connect this side to the valve that's already there, and then we could just add this one right on top. All right, so this is a special fitting garden hose. You see at this side we have a gasket, so I'm just gonna spin this on top. Right, tighten it down. We have some threads here. All right, so we're gonna put a little bit of Teflon tape and screw that on. Really loving this mega tape. It's actually good for gas lines and water lines. It is pretty strong. So I got it on here, and we're just gonna spin this on. Super simple. Let's hold back on this one. Alright, so this came out super clean. I'm gonna close this one, and I'm gonna open this one. This one's actually open already because we had to drain this. And we're gonna open the shut-off valve from inside the house and make sure there's no leaks. Alright, that valve is now open. Alright everyone, everything looks absolutely beautiful. Just to prove, we have water. Awesome. Everything looks good. No leaks. So let's see what looks better. Put this off. Maybe keep it on. But yeah, that was so much easier than having to like break into this. That would have been a nightmare. So sometimes you just have to think outside the box, see what will be easier for you. And honestly, the customer saved money, I saved time. It's a Sunday, I want to get back to my family. And yeah, we can go ahead and enjoy the rest of our weekend. If anyone found this video interesting or helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you all next time.